'Cause I know you are obsessed with me.